Hi beauties, what's popping? Waah Gwaan, welcome back to another video on my channel. So yes, today I'll be doing another nail shape, which I'm really excited about. So if this is your very first time here on my channel, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. If you don't want to subscribe, let my videos be the one to convince you guys to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. So today is an exciting day. I'm so pumped and excited to kind of share with you guys of my thought process throughout this video. Very exciting. Actually this video was like an hour long. I had to and I wanted to part the video, so I didn't have to do a two-part type of video because no sis, because I was really excited to show you guys what I can do. Yeah, so these nails were actually inspired by a Instagram account. I don't quite remember her account, but I'll definitely post a picture and definitely tag her when I decide to put up the WAP nails. Eventually when this video goes out, I will put up and tag her that she inspired me to do the nails like this, like the font and everything else that I added to these nails were my taste, not hers, but like the font and the joints were bomb.com. I really do appreciate it, so I'll definitely tag her when I do put up my pictures. I'll definitely insert a picture in this video to just give her credit, to say that yeah, her nail design was bomb.com. So yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just one more time, go ahead and subscribe, tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. Or I'm trying to get back in the groove of things, of uploading quite frequently, because I realize I've been slacking. I said this in like 2 videos ago and I'm still here doing the same thing. So yes, so for these nails I'll be doing straight clear for the thumb. I wanted a different vibe to it because I wanted a French. I wanted something different for that nail. So yeah, so these are how the nails are looking, and then after filing and buffing and doing all that wonderful stuff, these are how the nails are looking afterwards. Kind of it's a vibe, right? So I'll be using my transfer foil gel just to make this French, cutting out that smile line. I'm ensuring that it's pristine as forever, guys. Something that I realized when I was doing the drawing and all that fancy stuff is my hand control when I'm drawing is crazy. Literally my mind is thinking something else and my hand is thinking something else. So I'm trying to get that pristine line, but my brain's like, no, it needs to be thicker, it needs to be this, it needs to be that. It's crazy. I was like, what's wrong with me? Like literally, what is wrong with me? But yeah, so that's a learning curve, that's a learning space that I need to learn more about, but that's fine. Everything takes practice. So now I'll be going with the transfer gel on each of these nails, cure them for 60 seconds, and then I'll place the foil on each nail. So now the foiling is complete. I'll be taking my black gel polish just to go around that nail, because some of these areas are pitch patch. The foiling take to that area. I don't know why. I always have this issue. I don't know if it's the foil gel that is creating the issue or it's my technique that is creating the issue. I don't know. So to kind of limit that obvious space, I went in with my black gel polish just to go around that the nails, each of these nails, just to make the nail look more refined and pristine and looking bomb.com. So I will take the gel around each of these nails just to fill out that empty spot, because there was quite a few empty spots. And I must say that I must blame myself, because I tend not to go to the far end of my nails when it comes down to polishing my nails. So I need to focus more on that. So it technically was my fault, but technically it wasn't my fault. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so for each of these nails, I'll be going around with the black just to fill out that area that didn't get the foil. So because I was going to draw on these nails, I decided that it was foil that I was working with. I probably used acetone to kind of remove the nails if I made a mistake. So I went over with some gel top coat just to ensure that whenever I'm removing anything, it won't spoil the design. So it takes a longer time for me to, you know, do rub off and to reapply. Nah, that's too, it's already long to begin with, and I didn't want that stress on me. So as I said at the very beginning of my videos, I wanted this video to be as compact as much as I possibly can, because I didn't want you guys to watch a two-part, even though persons are not, you know, is okay with watching two parts. I didn't want that, so I decided that to compact the video, I decided to add everything. I did split screen so everything, you know, can be shown on the video, and I hope you guys do enjoy, because I really do my best trying to edit these videos for you guys to watch without, you know. So I hope you guys do enjoy. I had great fun doing these letters. As I said, these letters were kind of inspired by the girl on Instagram, and I was like, yeah, that's the type of nail designs. I was going crazy. I did a first set of nails, and I was like, this is not it. And then I was searching through Instagram and looked for the WAP hashtag, and I was like, this girl is like, she's my type of vibe. So I decided to follow through with her design and get inspiration from her, and then I put my flings to it, which was nice, and I really did like it. So what I'm doing right here is that I'm going over just to add a little bit more to define the letters even more. Very, 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 very pretty. I really did enjoy this set. I really, really did enjoy this set. So every time that I do, you know, do a letter, I will cure. Anything that I'm doing with any letter, I will cure afterwards. So yeah. So these nails were very interesting. Doing the letters were very interesting. I got new brushes. So I had to, you know, test the limits, and they came at a perfect time. So because I was, for some time now, I was like, I need to do the WAP set nails, because I need to jump on this trend. So this trend not gonna leave me this time around. So yes, so I'll be doing the letters, outlining them, and then I went in with some colors. It was a whole lot of fun. I'm sure you guys can tell by my thumbnail, it was fun. I hope you guys do watch the video right through it, because it's fun. You can't tell me that this is not fun. You can't tell me that this is not fun. So if this is fun, go ahead and like, subscribe, tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. And if you want to see regular stuff like these on my channel, just subscribe. But let my videos convince you. That's all I have to say, because I know my videos are going to convince you guys to come jump on the Bare Beauty's wagon. So these are how the nails are looking after. Very, very pretty. I mean, I could have leave them at that, but I decided to go throughout and do other stuff on the thumb and the pinky. So with this nail, actually, I saw a lot of persons doing snake, and I was like, I mean, I already have the snake print already, why not just follow through with my snake, my 3D snake. So this snake was actually made from polygel, which made it a little bit easier for me to kind of file it to what I wanted, but it was really hard because I didn't really made it on my nail, so it was very much bigger than the nail, if you understand what I'm saying. The width of the nail, I don't know how to explain it, but if you guys notice, you'll see. So yeah, so now I'm going on the pinky finger, drawing out the mouth with the lip and the tongue outside. It was a whole vibe. I really do enjoy it. I was considering whether or not if I should have matted it or should left it alone, but majority of the persons who I asked if they do like it, they said I should have left it the gloss, so that's what I did. So yeah, it was great fun. I hope you guys do enjoy this rest of the video. Go ahead and like it if you do think it's very interesting. Comment down below that these nails are popping. And so yeah, and also follow me on Instagram because I'm quite active but not active. You know what I'm saying? I'm really slack when it comes down to my social media. I need to kind of step it up because this not gonna work out. So yeah, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you do think I post wonderful content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. And for the mouth, I will add, you know, the highlight around it. Also, just as I said before, I added my fling to it, so it's not everything I took away from that picture. As I said, it was inspired by, but yeah. So yes, after I was through with my drawing, I decided to, you know, this was fun. I am extra beyond extra. I literally placed the snake on my nails, and I decided I'm going to foil this because this is, it would have looked very quite boring if I didn't do anything with it. So I decided to foil the snake on the nail, use a different pattern. It came out alright, and then I decided to add a glow around it, a green glow around it, and then I coat, and that was about it. I really do enjoy this set. I really did enjoy this set, and I hope you guys do. And if you do, go ahead and tap that bell subscribe button, subscribe, like, comment down below, tell me if you guys do like it. And also I want to shout out persons who have been commenting under my videos and also subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so very much. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys who do subscribe to my channel. It really does mean a lot to me, and I just want to say thank you so very much. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services, and I'll see you guys in the next video.